Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Programming for Beginners. I will share some basic knowledge about learning code programming for the beginners. Today we are going to discuss about list class in the C# programming language. In C#, the list class is part of the System.Collections.Generic namespace and is a dynamic, generic collection that provides a resizable array-like structure. It allows us to store and manipulate a list of elements of the same type. The list class is commonly used when we need a dynamic collection that can grow or shrink in size. Let's look at some key features and usage examples of the list class. First, declaration and initialization. In the declaration and initialization example, the program declared variable numbers as empty list with integer type. Second, adding elements. The add method adding the elements into the list. In the adding elements into list example, the program adding value 1, 2, and 3 into the list numbers. Third, initializing with values. In the initializing with values example, the program declared variable names as list with string type and initialized with values Alice, Bob, Charlie. Fourth, accessing elements. In the accessing elements example, the program assigned the value of first element in list names which is Alice to the variable first person. Fifth, count property. The count method gets the number of elements in the list. In the count property example, the program assigned the number of elements in the list names which is 3 to the variable count. Sixth, iterating through a list. The for loop used to iterating through a list to get the element's value of list. In the iterating through a list example, the program display output of 1, 2, and 3 which are elements value inside the list number. Seventh, checking for existence. The contains method used to check whether list contains particular element or not. In the checking for existence example, the program checking whether list names contains Bob or not. In the example, Bob exists as element in list names and assigned true to variable contains Bob. Advantages of list over arrays. Dynamic size, lists can grow or shrink dynamically, whereas arrays have a fixed size. Ease of use, lists provide methods for common operations, such as adding, inserting, and removing elements, making them more convenient to work with. Flexibility, lists are part of the generic collections in C#, allowing us to use them with any data type, T. That concludes today's overview of list class in the C# programming language. If you found today's video helpful, please subscribe, like, comment, and share the video. See you in the next video.